Washington State is looking at a whole new bill to help pregnant women feel more comfortable on the job.
Yeah, it would require employers to make reasonable accommodations for expectant mothers at work. Coyne wants to know just how it would work, and our Amy Frazier has a closer look. Amy?
The bill is called the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act. The bill's sponsor tells me women should not have to choose between having a healthy pregnancy and working to put food on the table.
You know, this is an economic justice issue for women.
Not only is Washington State Representative Jessin Farrell a lawmaker, she's also a mother. In fact, during the 2014 legislative session, she was pregnant.
I found that as a legislator, I was able to find ways to make accommodation. I have a lot of control over my own schedule, but it really makes me think hard about what it would be like to be a bus driver or a grocery worker or someone who may not be able to advocate for themselves the same way I was able to when I was pregnant.
Farrell is leading the charge on House Bill 2307. I found out it would require employers under the Washington Law Against Discrimination to provide reasonable accommodation for pregnant women, unless the accommodation would impose an undue hardship on the employer's business. It includes things like more frequent restroom breaks, providing seating, or allowing an employee to sit more if her job requires her to stand, and modifying work schedules, say to allow for doctor's appointments. We went to Vancouver today to get some feedback on the proposed regulation.
I think it's great for businesses to have compassion, generosity for pregnant women.
It's more rules, more regulations, and I don't see how it can help start up small independent businesses that women own. But at the same time, it is very hard. I've had 2 children, and it is very hard to work and be pregnant.
Farrell believes the bill would provide some meaningful clarity to employers.
Right now, there's very, very complicated federal and state law on this issue, and there's been a lot of litigation going all the way up to the Supreme Court. It looks a lot like disability law, and so there are a lot of gaps and a lot of confusion about what accommodation of pregnant women means.
And the bill had a hearing this week in committee. I'm also told that there's a companion bill in the Senate, so we'll keep you posted and let you know what happens next with this.
A lot of good perspective in that story. Probably a good talker, too. Thanks, Amy.